Definitely going to turn this down now. I've turned that up. I mean, that's quite a heavy bass. This is the kind of thing I'm talking about, like I could spend hours just tweaking stuff. Yeah, that really does not sound good though. Okay, so we've got a bit of reverb poking through, but I don't want it to be like a fully wet bass because it just doesn't sound that tight. Alright, so let's now go and I'm trying to think of how to bust this, but I think for the sake of this I'll just leave it like that. So let's get our drums rooted now. Again, I should probably add more elements. I don't really know why I'm mixing this. Drum bass, and then we'll separate this as well. So send all of these like this, and then you get a nice tight bass. CLA is always a good one to put on there. Send my kick through here, and then claps. So for the claps, I might put some OTT on there just to crispen up the sound a bit. Well, that is pretty crisp already, so. Oh, this is really boosted because of this plugin. It always loads up like loads of gain. Yeah, that's already gluing the sound quite nicely, so I think we'll leave it like that for now, and we'll put some hi-hats in there in a minute as well. But let's see what we've got. Time to dwell on it. This ain't no heartbreak anthem. This ain't no heartbreak. This ain't no heartbreak. This ain't no heartbreak anthem. No heartbreak anthem. No heartbreak anthem. Hello, no heartbreak anthem. Hello, it's me. It's actually a really short drop. Normally I'd double the length for this, so maybe if I had a clean vocal I would do like some vocal chops on the second half, and that might sound quite cool, but for this purpose we're going to leave it like that for now. And then I'm thinking maybe adding some chords as well, like some stabs, but for now we'll get some more like cymbals and downlifters and stuff in here to get some more impact on the drop. What we've got on the samples. Like a simple exhaust will do. What's quite cool as well is if you just have it on the first kick. So you get like a proper like, it just helps to get like a really initial like boost of energy. It feels almost like a noise. How would you describe that? I don't know. It gives you like that live feel when you've got all the noise and stuff at the very first start, like all the machines and stuff that are spraying the smoke. I don't know if I'm making any sense. But that initial sound. Like a CO2 sound at the start. That's what I feel it sounds like anyway, but. And then crashes are always really good as well for getting that initial impact. 26 minutes to go. Okay, let's might get some whomps in the bass as well, again to just develop it up a bit more and get a bit more of a unique sound to it. We can add a bit of attack in here as well with another kick stacked in there. And then what I'll do is I'll make all of the notes the same so you don't get any different kicks, because sometimes if you've got like a lower note playing you might get a bit less attack on there or a bit less top end. So this is probably one of the quickest ways I can think of doing it. It's probably quite slow there. So move everything to the same note, and then what you get is this, hopefully in a second, if it works. So we're just taking the transient, and that helps to poke through in the mix a bit more. So if I set this on the bass, I don't really know if I want reverb on there, but you can feel it with it. It does cut through a little bit more. I think that works. Alright, let's get a womp in here. I keep saying I'm going to do something and then forget. Story of my life when I'm producing. I'm just like, let's do this, do this, do this. Attack womp, maybe. That can work. Okay, let's try some of these womps here. Actually, there are some really cool womps in Car Music 2, I think it is, or 3. Check really. Womp. Yeah, this one here, that's sick. Okay. Now, I don't really want this to have any reverb, so I'm going to send it through some separate processing. Womp. Womp. We do want to kickstart. Maybe take some lows away. It's really not crucial that I'm doing this, but it's just what I've got to do. And then for the MIDI, I'm going to have to copy and paste this because I've kind of ruined the ghost notes on that. Maybe we just have it on the ends. I don't really know where to put it, to be honest, but let's just try out a couple of things first. Try it on there. As like a filler between different parts. It might even not be enough. That was quite cool actually, we've just held for 3 bits there. That's sick as well. But if you put it on like every single chord, it might be a bit too much. That's sick, I like that. Yeah, I'm gonna do it on here. Yeah, I like that. So just on the second half, so you don't get like sick of it basically. So it's not like an old thing by the time you've heard the first half of the drop. That vocal goes so loud, I don't really know if I should automate the volume or something on there, but what I'm going to do now on the bass, I don't know if I need to do it on the womp as well, potentially do, so what I'll do is I'll bust these, or no, maybe not actually. I'll tell you what, let's just go for Endless Smile, where's Endless Smile? And then I will automate the intensity. And we'll just create like a little sweep effect, like a transitional thing, which is quite cool to do just every so often, keeps the sound fresh and transitions it nicely. Let's just put a bit here. Maybe a bit longer. That's quite cool. It's maybe a bit heavy, so turn it down. Maybe 4. Alright, so that sounds cool. I like the little fills and stuff we've got going on in here. So let's do the same for the build as well on the drop, just get like, just drain out all the bass in here so it's a bit more of like a build style. So you really get the tension building up. To be honest, I should probably be adding so many more elements in here, but we'll leave it for now. I don't wanna feel hollow, chasing you and me, chasing all of these shadows. This ain't a heartbreak anthem. I don't care what happens, but I ain't got no time to dwell on it. This ain't a heartbreak anthem. It's quite nice. I think maybe here like a cowbell could be cool. Could always do a bit more cowbell, so let's try that. Don't know if that's maybe too cut. Or actually, I'll tell you what, we'll go for a slap. There's some sick slap house fills in here. That's not the one. I'm thinking of like a really small. These are sick as well. Put one in there. In Car Music Volume 3, is it? I think. Some just solid fills in here. It's got cowbell. Right, let's try this, for example. I like the flow of it. I think there's maybe some more in main stage as well. Try some of these. I think that works. Let's try some more. It's too short. That maybe works. Let's see. I feel like that works. Maybe it's a bit much. I think this might even. Oh no, it's just a fill and snare. Okay, there's one in here that was cool. We'll just use that. Yeah, these ones are sick. That'll do. That will do us. Okay. Yeah, that works nice. I'll keep that. That'll do. Okay. How does this sound? Maybe a bit more crash on here as well. I did put a bass slide in here. I don't know where I've put it now. Here we go. This one here. That's actually quite nice. It works alongside the womp, so I think the two together might be quite cool. Yeah, that's sick. Okay, let's try that on the second halves as well. Now I prefer it here. So even by just having that on one part like that, really far apart, you just get more variation and it feels a bit newer for longer. Right, let's go listen to what we've got all together and add some more bits. It's me, your ex. I called to say not sorry, but I wish you the best. So straight away I want to put this into here. I couldn't even listen to 5 seconds without changes. Again, unnecessary EQ, but let's do it. Hello, it's me. The main thing I wanted to do was a Fruity Panomatic, which is a really cool plugin. So when you're a bit lazy with panning stuff, you can just grab this and it does it for you. So I like to max out the amount so you really get the full effect and then just drag it down a bit. Then you can really feel the movement and kind of where it's going. Yeah, that'll do. Okay, let's try this. Hello, it's me.